Example 2b. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the curve at the given point b xy plus y squared equal to 3x at the point 2, 4. So, to find the equation of tangent and normal to this equation, first of all, we have to find the gradient. Same thing, we have to differentiate. So to differentiate this function, we have to use the implicit differentiation. Okay, first of all, let us focus how to differentiate the first term, xy. Okay, to differentiate xy, we have to use the product rules. So we have to let our x, u equal to x, and then v equal to y. So when we differentiate x, we will get 1. When we differentiate v, you will get dy dx. Okay, so we apply the product rules. So differentiate for xy, the first term is equal to y plus x dy dx. Okay, we use the product rules. So there's a for the first term. Okay, so now we try to differentiate the whole function. Okay, the first part we already get y plus x dy dx. The second term for the y square, when we differentiate, you will get 2y dy dx. And then the third term, 3x, when you differentiate, you will get 3. So this is a implicit differentiation for this function. Okay, after we differentiate, we try to left all the dy dx at the left hand side. So x dy dx plus 2y dy dx is equal to 3 minus y. We move the y to the right hand side. So after that, we factorize out the dy dx, bracket x plus 2y. So it's equal to 3 minus y. After that, we try to move the x plus 2y to the right hand side as dy. So we will get our dy dx is equal to 3 minus y over x plus 2y. So there's a dy dx for this function. After we get our dy dx, now we can find the gradient of the tangent. At the point 2, 4, our dy dx is equal to, you just substitute x equal to 2 and y equal to 4 into your dy dx. Okay, you will get 3 minus 4 over 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4. So the final answer you will get is equal to negative 1 over 10. So means that the gradient for the tangent is equal to negative 1 over 10 for this equation. After we get the gradient of the tangent, now we can find the equation of tangent. So the same thing, we'll use a formula y minus y1 equal to mt x minus x1. So we substitute x1, y1 with the point which is 2, 4. So, and our gradient for the tangent is negative 1 over 10. After we substitute all the point and gradient, now we can try to simplify. You will get y is equal to negative 1 over 10x plus 21 over 5. So there's an equation of tangent. Okay, now we go to the equation of normal for this question. So to find the equation of normal, we have to get the gradient of the normal first. So how to get the gradient of the normal? Gradient of normal is equal to negative 1 over the gradient of the tangent, which is negative 1 over 10. So we know that if divide by the fraction, we can just reverse it, become negative 1 multiplied by bracket negative 10. So we get our gradient of normal is equal to 10. So after we get the gradient of normal, the same thing we substitute into the formula of the straight line. So we'll get y minus 4 is equal to 10x minus 2. So after simplify, we'll get y equal to 10x minus 16. So there's the equation of normal for question B.